Hello, I'm Alex and today I'll be teaching you how to make a unit origami called Vertigo. So this is what the final product looks like. It can move like this. So what you'll need will be a pair of scissors, 2 pieces of paper that is printer paper size, and you also need a pen or something to mark with. So to start off, we need to make 12 small pieces of paper that have the ratio 1 by root 2. So if you don't know how to do that, just continue watching the video to see how I do it. So first fold like this, then fold again the other way. Next we want to fold this edge to the crease we just made. Same thing for the other side. Now we want to use scissors to cut this. Cut on all the pieces you made. Next you want to take one of the pieces of paper that you cut, take the bottom right corner and fold it to the top like this. Make sure that this edge over here is aligned with the top of the paper, like this. Next we want to open it up. Next we want to turn it around and fold this edge over here to this crease we just made, like this. After that, we want to flip it over and use our pen or pencil and mark this point right here. So it should look something like this. And then we want to flip it over and fold it until we see this dot right here that we made. Then we can use scissors to cut this strip off. So it should look something like this. Now this is going to be used as your template for all the other pieces. So you can just measure over here like this. And then mark where you want to cut it. And then fold it and then cut again. Do this for all of the pieces. Remember that you still have to do this for another sheet of paper, and this is only for one of the sheets. After you finish cutting all 2 sheets of paper, you only need to take 12 of the small pieces of paper that you cut. I'll be using blue cardstock to show you guys how to fold each unit piece. So first you want to start off with folding a 4x4 grid. So first fold it in half. Then you want to take this edge and fold it over here, like this. You want to fold it to the middle crease that you just made. Next you want to flip it over and fold it to this middle crease too. After that, you want to turn it around, so it's like this, and you want to do the same thing to the side. After you finish this step, you should have a 4x4 grid like this. Next, you want to fold a diagonal line like this. Do it for the other side too. Next, open it up and take the bottom right corner and fold it to the middle, to the center right here. Do the same thing to the top left corner. Fold the top left corner to the center, like this. Next, you want to reverse this crease you made right here and push it out like this. Then you want to crease so that this crease is aligned with this crease. So it should look something like this. Next, you want to flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. And then you want to fold it so both of the flaps here are on the inside. So something like this. Next, you want to make sure that over here, this line is on this part is on the is facing you, and then you want to fold it diagonally like this. For this step, you really want to crease hard. It will make your final product look much better. And then flip it over and do it on the other side, or unfold and do it on the other side. Remember to crease hard. Now you want to make sure that the product, what you're seeing right now is a small V at the very top like this. And you want to find the piece like this, where there's like a small gap right here. And see how over here there's no gap? You don't want it to do it to this corner. So you want to take this corner right here, or this edge right here, and fold it to this edge right here so it's aligned. Like this. Next, you want to flip it over and do the same thing to this side. So make sure that this crease is aligned. So now you finished one unit piece. So now you have to do this for 12 other unit pieces. So I finished all 12 unit pieces. Now it's time to assemble. So first you want to take 2 pieces, and this will be the place you want to insert in, and this is where you want to insert to. So you want to take this and push it in here like this. Make sure that this crease right here is aligned with this pocket edge right here. And then you want to crease over here. Next, take this piece and put this corner into this part, and again make sure that this part is aligned. And finally you want to take this corner and you want to put it in here to form a triangle. So it should look something like this in the end. Then you want to crease this line over here. So you want to just fold it like this. And you want to do it for all these sides. So fold and fold like this. Now you want to take another piece and insert it here. Remember again to make sure that this crease is aligned with the pocket. Take another piece and make it so it forms a triangle. Make sure to crease on this edge right here. Now just keep adding more and more until you get a product like a cube. So after you finish folding or assembling all 12 pieces, it should look something like this. It should look something like a cube. You can use tape or glue to glue some spots to make it easier for it to move. So to make it move, you just press down right here and it'll move back to the shape. And then you can go back and go the other way. Thank you guys for watching.